my online classes just ended, and today I'll be showing you my after school routine. Well, I'm not really going to school because Delhi ka AQI is like over 400, and AQI के बढ़ते ठंड भी बढ़ गई है यहाँ पे. So I get really lazy to bath subah subah. So I bath after my online classes. So now the first thing I will do is that I'll take a bath. So let's pick an outfit. So today I'll be wearing this black cropped hoodie. I got this from Forever 21 last year, and I did not wear it much. So basically this is what we're wearing. It's cropped and it's cold, so I'll be wearing a tank top underneath, and for pants, basic blue jeans. So now I'll bath and I'll see you after. This is how the outfit looks, and it's not bad. So I found this black and white striped top. I don't remember where I got it from, but we'll be wearing this because first of all, 3/4 sleeves. Second of all, it's not very hot, like it's light material, but this thing is like thick. So I'll change into that and let's see how it looks. It looks a lot better and feels a lot better because abhi baar dhoop nikli hui hai. I mean, it was really cold in the morning, like I didn't even want to get out of bed, but अब it's pretty sunny outside and all the people are outside. धूप सेक रहे हैं लोग. So this is what we'll wear because it's much more comfortable. This is the new outfit, guys. This is what we're wearing today. And on a normal day, I change my clothes a bunch of time before I get to an outfit that I actually like and want to wear on that day. But yeah, I'll do my skincare. Now I'm going to make myself look a little more presentable. Also, I got a little pimple here. I don't know how, but also let me tell you stuff that happened today at my online classes. So my maths teacher forgot to give us the link of the class, so she wasted like 20 minutes, which was very fun because no class for 20 minutes. That means आधी class ऐसे ही खराब हो गई, waste हो गई because she sent us the link 20 minutes late. And what else? वहाँ पे मैथ्स में जो क्वेश्चंस कराए थे उसमें से एक क्वेश्चन से नहीं हुआ. I have a problem मुझसे एक क्वेश्चन नहीं होता. I get like really about it, like I need to practice that entire chapter again just because मुझसे कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं हुआ. So that's what I'm going to do today. I also have a ton of homework. I mean, I also have a test tomorrow Hindi में, but online classes है, but like still last two chapters नहीं आते because I hardly focus on my literature because you can easily get it done last minute. For me, I need to mainly focus on maths and science, but maths and science is like my test subjects. So like for me the most difficult subject would be SST. I have to give maximum time to that subject, which is unfortunate because I hate SST as well. Oh my god, my eyelashes look so pretty. Okay, what else do we do? That's pretty much it. I'll just apply a little bit of blush and then I'll use my general lip balm that I use always. I mean, it's a medicated lip balm because I had a lot of dryness above my lips. So using a medicated lip balm is really helpful. Like I used to use Vaseline a lot, but my doctor said to switch lip balm because Vaseline was not helping at all. So now I use a medicated lip balm and it's been pretty helpful. So this was it for my skincare part, and now I'm completely ready. So let's get some productive stuff done because I really need to. So I just realized that I completely forgot to put on my jewelry, so I'll do that. Daily I wear this ring. I wear it on my middle finger, and I wear this heart necklace. I got it as a birthday gift, not a birthday gift, like a return gift from my friend. Yeah, wait, it looks. First of all, I'll be making lunch because I'm hungry. Plus, it's lunchtime and I also have to give lunch to my brother. So, let's go. Here is my food, and I'll watch Friends while I eat because I deserve a break after school. Like, oh my god. Just eating my food, and now I'll do maths from ML Agarwal because I practiced it from NCRT Kal. So today I'll practice it from a reference book and I'll do difficult questions because Kal jo questions करे थे they were very easy. So now I need to practice एक level ऊपर वाले questions. तो right now it's 3:24 and I'm done with doing maths, and now I'm really tired and I cannot study for at least half an hour now. So we'll be journaling. I journal every single day to manifest, and trust me, most of the stuff that I've written in that journal has come true. So this is the journal I use. It says, "Be the energy you want to attract." It's mirrored in the camera, but it's really pretty. Okay. And I have my pen and my journal, and the weather outside is really nice. So I'll be journaling. This is my favorite ritual of the day as it helps me calm and relax and just put my thoughts down on a piece of paper. I'm so grateful for everything, and just writing it down makes me feel so blessed. Now I'm done with journaling and I'll show you the changes that I made to my desk. I did this yesterday night. So wait, let me just show what I did. Okay. So this corner right here, so that is my I don't know what to call it, but basically it has a lot of plugs where I plug in my charger and my lamp ka cable, etc. So it was here before, but now I moved that there. I put this clock here, and this corner I decorated it with posters and yes, niche bhi hai. So I put these on Canva and then I printed them out. Then I cut them and then I just put them here, not using the board pen but using tape. You can see the tape, right? So I used tape for this, and I'm so proud of it. I think it looks great. Plus the painting, I changed this as well. If you remember, there was a Spider-Man here. You can see, but now there is a duck. And I also wrote that the results are worth the pain because they are. So wait, that fell. This is chaotic. Yeah, basically this is the new setup. I mean, I did not change much. Also, I moved this entire PC was here and I dragged it a little bit this side so that the drawers and the shelves, all of this is in perfect proportion for me, because otherwise it was too far away. So I had to like come drag my chair all the way here to reach my drawer, but now it's much better. So that's that. Now that I am a little tired of studying and everything, I will play some music and I'll clean my closet, because when I pick my outfit, I mess up the entire closet. So I need to clean it a little bit every single day so that it doesn't mess बहुत ज़्यादा, because I really don't like messes. I mean, my table is very messy too right now, but I'll clean that also before I sleep. And if you want a night routine, then comment down below. So now I'll clean my closet.
For me, whenever I have to relax, I can just clean my room and it will put me in such a calm state of mind. I don't know, like, I just love the process of cleaning. It's so calming. And the after results just make me feel even more calm. Mess just spoils my brain and I can't seem to focus in a messy space. And they say that your space represents your state of mind, so keep it clean and you'll be much happier. I'm time lapsing this as well because otherwise you'll get really bored.
So I've cleaned my closet. As you can see, it's a lot more organized than it was. I'll show you something, okay? I have these cute little stickers on my mirror and I made this. Um, yeah. Basically, I think I got these stickers for free with something, so I did not know what to do with them, so I just put them here. And I think it looks pretty cute, right? So now we're done with the closet part. Um, so now typically I would do some more studying, but I am really lazy and I'm thinking to study at night today. So I will make a new Spotify playlist for winters because winters are approaching and I need a winter mood playlist as well. So let's go. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Love making playlists. It's so much fun. Like, oh my god. I'm done with making my playlist and here is how it turned out. So I named it Winter Arc because I need to manifest my winter arc. I don't know, it just works out in my head, okay? And वो Mean Girls वाले dance का outfit है ये. It's so pretty and I love it. It's so aesthetic. So these are the songs. Escapism is like screaming winter to me, and like all of these, this is like my favorite song, like my favorite song. I could like make a playlist with like 100 copies of this song if I wanted to, because that's how much I love this song. And oh my god, I love this playlist. It's so winter, like it screams winter to me, and that's what I adore the most about it. And what I will be listening to this year, I mean this winter. And can you believe it's almost 2025? Like, what the actual hell? It feels like it was just 2024 and I just came in 9th grade and now I'm about to go in 10th grade, which is insane for me because, like, oh my god. And my exams are also really near, so it's just I also need to study Hindi का chapter because मेरे से नहीं हो रहा, कल टेस्ट है and I can't, okay. So अभी टाइम हो रहा है 4 and by this time my after school routine comes to an end. And usually at 4 I take a nap, which I won't be doing today because I have a lot to study, and now I will be studying for the rest of the day, nothing much. So thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it's really motivating, and if you made this far, then comment down below a pink heart so that I know that you watched the entire video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.